What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo ng mga debate about LeBron James and Michael Jordan. So sino nga bang mas magaling? LeBron or MJ? So panoorin natin itong mga video na to. Let's go sa go.
LeBron or Jordan?
So ito panoorin
greatest
natin,
of all time?
Michael
Yeah,
Jordan
Jordan
versus
not even
LeBron
close.
James.
For real? 100%.
Sa video to ni Charlie
How
Kirk.
many finals has LeBron lost?
5?
How many finals
Five.
did MJ lose?
0?
Zero NBA Finals loss.
What about
Tinatanong niya kung
points,
sino
though?
mas magaling,
He
MJ or
played
LeBron.
longer, right?
Okay.
Played more games.
Okay.
Also, back in the 90s, did they play more competitive defense than they do today?
Yeah, but they had like fucking bums fucking playing defense. They had
No,
bro, we got
that-
Kawhi. We got fucking Dwight Howard. LeBron had to play
Ayan.
Dwight Howard.
Average,
Kawhi.
It's fair
fucking,
point. Average point per game NBA now versus average point per game in the 90s was what? Average point is now like 111 per game. You guys could fact check me. It's like 108
Galing
to
mo mag-debate
111.
ito eh.
Back in the 90s, it was 88 to 92.
Because they couldn't
So-
shoot. They can't shoot.
Okay, so they might have gotten better at shooting. That might be the case.
Exactly. LeBron's a
But-
better shooter,
but here's
better
the-
passer, better
So-
teammate, better scorer.
Better
Not
teammate?
scorer, not
No,
scorer.
he's not a better teammate.
He's a better team. He makes bums play good, bro.
I know.
Y'all see the Cleveland
Hold
team?
on.
Nagano siya ng
Cleveland
reason,
2017
paki-defend si
got the
LeBron.
Cleveland team,
Michael Jordan
2017
made
in the
everybody
finals,
around him
2018
better.
in the finals.
He made-
2016 in the finals. Bro, he played with Matthew Dellavedova in 2016. That was his best teammate, bro. And in 2015.
When was so last time he won was in the bubble, right?
You go, come on,
But I
bro.
would just say this. Let me ask you a question though. So when you lose almost as many finals as you've won,
But
you're-
he had to play
you're
against
pretty
the
average. Hold
Warriors
on.
and
Let me-
Durant and
let me hold on.
And
Let me finish the point. You keep interrupting me. Michael Jordan played against Charles Barkley. He played against
Charles
Pistol
Barkley.
Pete. He played
Charles
not Pistol Pete. He
Barkley's
played
fat.
against
Mga
the other
legendary
Mormon
din
on
yun.
Utah
Charles
Jazz.
Barkley.
But yeah.
John Stockton.
Yeah, John Stockton. Yeah. He
Karl
played
Malone
against
pa.
great teams. He had to go through the Pistons in the Eastern Conference. Hold on. Let me ask you a
Pistons.
question.
Bad boy
When it's all
Pistons.
said and done, why did LeBron want to wear MJ's number so bad if he was truly the GOAT?
Because he was the GOAT before him.
Oh, okay.
Before him.
I
yun
believe
nga.
the greatest is the one who's never lost a final, the one who redefined the sport, the one
Redefined the
Tama,
sport.
tama.
he redefined the sport. He
Alright.
he brought the National Basketball Association
That
doubled and tripled in popularity.
That was Larry Bird and
no,
Magic
no.
Johnson.
MJ
That
was nowhere even in the same ecosystem as Michael
Alright,
Jordan.
alright.
But let me ask you, how do you define greatness?
Greatness is impact, is influence.
You think that
LeBron has
LeBron
no-
has had more influence than Michael Jordan?
Yes.
I couldn't
Yes.
disagree more. It
Fine,
just
yeah.
must be a generational
Yes.
thing.
He's my GOAT, bro. I witnessed.
You know your stuff. God bless you, man.
All right, God bless you.
Thank you.
Ang galing.
I'm also from Chicago, so I'm a little biased.
So para sa akin ang galing ng ano ba? Yung ang ganda ng debate, ang ganda nung banat ni Charlie Kirk do sa LeBron fan. Yung inamin din niya sa bandang dulo na siya ay from Chicago, kaya sinasabi niyang Michael Jordan talagang pinili niya. Saka naipaliwanag niya doon sa debate na yun nga, ilang finals ba natalo si LeBron? Ilang finals ba si Jordan? Si Jordan walang talo sa NBA Finals. Lalo-lalo ng time na yan, ang dikdikan ng depensa, lalo na yung bad boy Pistons, yun ang pinaka nagpahirap sa kanya bago siya na makatungtong sa NBA Finals, di ba? So para sa akin, yung mga paliwanag ng yun, make sense, di ba, sa part na yun. Ang ganda ng paliwanag ni Charlie Kirk. Tapos yung LeBron fan naman, na kung nauutal-utal, baka hindi na alam kung anong sasabihin. Although, pinupush to pa niya, naghahanap siya ng way. Halimbawa, sabi niya, may Kawhi Leonard naman, may Kevin Durant. Pero nung time na yun ni Michael Jordan, sobrang ang gagaling, mga legendary din yung mga nakasagupa niya nun. Sila Charles Barkley, Karl Malone, sino pa ba? Magic Johnson, si Magic Johnson, yun. So, para sa akin, sa part na yun, lamang ang Michael Jordan 1-0 kumbaga. So, hanap pa tayong ibang video.
Michael Jordan is
Ito
the
pala
GOAT
natin,
and
Skip Bayless.
laughably better than LeBron James.
Nice to meet you. I'm a big fan
thought-
of your career, everything you stand for in this industry, but
Debate ito.
this awful take, I'm not going to let it seep through.
Okay.
So, Michael Jordan, there are two angles to looking at the GOAT debate. Number one,
LeBron fan din
could
to si
Michael
Kuya.
Jordan have done what LeBron is doing in this era and vice versa? The other angle is there any single thing that Michael Jordan has done over the course of an entire career better than LeBron James? So I'm asking you, is there one thing that you could definitively say that Michael Jordan did better than LeBron James over the course of his entire NBA career.
Yeah, he won better. He just won and won and won. He was invincible and unbeatable, and he went 6-0 in the finals with 6 MVPs. And no, they didn't play the toughest competition in the
MVPs lang,
finals,
alam ko,
but
hindi
the
6
beasts were in
sa
the East.
season,
And he devoured and slayed the beasts one after another. Bird Celtics, then the Bad Boy Pistons, and then Reggie Miller's Pacers. And
yun pala, Reggie
when
Miller
you
saka
go
Pistons.
6-0 with 6 MVPs in the finals versus 4 and 6 in the finals for LeBron, and Ray Allen saved LeBron a loss there because LeBron had completely self-destructed in Game 6 of that 2013 finals. And then if Kyrie, when nobody can buy a shot, if Kyrie hadn't hit the shot of shots in Game 7 at Oracle, LeBron could be 2-8 in the finals. So we're talking about winning. I give you, I say it all the time, LeBron is still, to this moment, the best passer in basketball. I say it all the time. LeBron is still the greatest driver of the basketball I ever saw, to a fault, because he's a poor jump shooter, a poor three-point shooter by star standards,
Hindi siya
or certainly by
ganun
superstar
ka-shooter.
standards.
Napansin ko
And he's
din
a
yun.
poor free throw shooter by superstar standards. He should have 5,000 more points, but he's such a worse shooter than Jordan ever was as a jump shooter and a free throw shooter that it's hard for me to say, how can you call LeBron the GOAT when he's a lousy shooter?
Part of the argument to what you said is everything you just said is wrong. So if you look at true shooting percentage, which takes into account all the offense, all the scoring, who had the better true shooting percentage in his NBA career in the regular season?
Pero mostly
LeBron
kasi sa
James. Who
laksak
had
yun
the
eh.
better true
Ginagawa
shooting
ni LeBron.
percentage in the playoffs? LeBron James. And you just said Michael Jordan won a lot better. So starting 1-9 in the playoffs in his career doesn't count, just doesn't matter. Or losing to the Pistons over and over again because he was so dominated by any level of physicality because he was soft. So that does not count. That doesn't matter.
Wait, did you just call Michael Jordan soft?
Compared to LeBron
He was
James,
the baddest you-know-what who ever stepped on a basketball court.
Not
Trust
like
me,
LeBron.
I was there.
So doon naman sa debate naman ni Skip Bayless doon sa lalaki. Ang opinion ko naman doon, kaya sabi ko kanina, yung mga nakalaban ni Jordan nung era niya, Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, Bad Boy Pistons, nakaharap din niya Reggie Miller. Tapos, John Stockton, Karl Malone. So, yung mga yan, Charles Barkley, sabi, legendary mga superstar caliber din kung kaya nagkataon na si Michael Jordan yung talagang pinakamagaling ng time na yun, kaya natalo niya. Kasi kung tutusin, sobrang galing si Charles Barkley nag-MVP. Ko-correct ko lang din si Skip Bayless, hindi naman 6 regular MVP. 6 finals MVP, tapos 5 regular MVP season lang siya. Tapos syempre, ang napansin ko naman, ang ano ko naman doon, si Jordan din, sabi nila, mas poor shooting daw kaysa kay LeBron. Mas ano daw yung percentage ni LeBron James, mas mataas kaysa kay LeBron. Well, kung tutusin kasi, mostly sa mga ginagawa niya, sa laksak, and laki-laki ni LeBron James, tapos sumasabay sa kanya, liliit, maninipis, payat. Yung katawan ni LeBron James, kasi laki niya mga center na eh. Bato-bato siya, bulky. Tapos ang sasabay sa kanya, halimbawa, sabihin natin, sample, mga Trevor Ariza, may mga papayat na kayang-kaya niyang banggain. So, percentage, mag-a-agree ako doon. Pero sa shooting ability, aminin man natin or hindi, nakaka-shoot naman si LeBron James, may mga jumper siya, may mga jump shot. Pero, hindi siya, lalo na pag, natin, nag-choke siya, hindi niya wala yung shooting talaga niya, lalo na sa 3 points. So, again, do sa na yun, sa debate, I think, nakalamang na naman, MJ na naman ang nanalo do sa debate. Yung nga lang, kawawa si Kuya, tinawag ba niyang soft si Michael Jordan? Sana may bawi niya dun kung may video doon, di ba?
How many times in LeBron's 21 seasons has he led the league in something negative? Never. Michael Jordan and all his scoring titles, you know how many times he led the league in most missed shots and most taken shots? So of course I would think you would score more if you're taking the most shots of the whole league and missing the most shots of the whole league. Michael and Kobe excelled at that. 10 years out of Michael's career, he only played for 15. 10 of them, he led the league in most missed shots. Michael couldn't do anything without help. LeBron, without help, dragged the Cleveland Cavaliers, which was a shitty team, a last-place team in the NBA, to the playoffs, and then the following year to the finals as an 18 and 19-year-old. Michael could never do that. If you look at that lineup, Michael Jordan couldn't do any of that. You want to know why? Because he's not nowhere near as versatile as LeBron. The better basketball player is LeBron. You need a center. You need a point guard. You need a power forward, a shooting guard. LeBron can do it all. Michael cannot.
So doon naman sa video yun, obviously, si LeBron James ang pinanigan nung Di ko alam kung sino yung nagko-comment na yun eh. Yes, may point nga naman. At sabi nga din niya na si LeBron James nabitbit niya yung Cleveland nung nasa Cleveland nung sabihin natin nung time na nasa Cleveland pa siya nung first Cleveland niya, sabihin natin journey sa Cleveland. Nabitbit niya sa NBA Finals ang lineup na yon. Ang kalaban nila na kung di ako nagkakamali, San Antonio Spurs. So for me, yes, magandang achievement yun for LeBron James kasi ang dami din niya nakakabangga nun bago siya makatungtong sa NBA Finals. Ang pinaka naging obstacle niya nun, pinaka may hirapan siya kahit papano, yung sa Pistons. Kasi Pistons din nun ang pinakamalakas sa East nung time na yun. So natalo niya, malaking bagay yun para sa career niya. Although pagdating ng finals, sa sweep siya kasi syempre ang kalaban nila Spurs, championship caliber, sila baguhan pa lang. So sabi pa rin sa video na kung maghahanap ka ng isang player na kaya mag-point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, even center, all around, kumbaga, LeBron James. Sinabi na ito kanina, si LeBron better passer, which is kaya niya mag-point guard. Tama na naman din niya sa sinasabi nga din. Unlike Michael Jordan, sa video nito, LeBron James ang nanalo, si LeBron ang kumbaga, siya yung 2-1. Kanina, MJ, tapos ngayon, may LeBron James tayo nahanap na video. So, tingin pa tayo sa iba. So, panoorin natin to. Si Scottie Pippen ang tinatanong dito. Stephen A. Smith.
LeBron James is a better basketball player. And here's why. He fills the stats up.
LeBron daw si Scottie Pippen.
Night in and night out. You're talking about a kid who can easily average a triple-double if he chooses.
Okay.
I don't think
Triple-double daw
Michael Jordan
si LeBron James.
You don't think he had that option?
No.
He could have done that, especially with you.
No.
Especially with you.
It's not his demeanor.
Okay.
It's not his demeanor as a player. That's like me telling you that Kobe Bryant could have averaged a triple-double.
Kobe will tell you he could have anytime he wanted to.
Yes, but that's not what Kobe wants to do.
Okay,
Kobe wants to
but-
score.
Si
You
LeBron,
asking me what I see in today's game, I'm giving you my physical answer.
Okay, well,
I watch the game.
All right, well,
I'm a student of the game.
so
LeBron
I
James
realize
si
how
Scottie
LeBron
Pippen.
James plays the game.
Kakampiyan ni Jordan, ha? So sa videong iyon, ang tinanong ni Stephen A. Smith si Scottie Pippen kung sino ba, Michael Jordan o LeBron James. Nakakagulat kasi si Scottie Pippen ang pinili si LeBron James. Na alam naman nating lahat na ang kakampi niya noong time na yun, sa buong career niya sa basketball, ay si Michael Jordan. So base daw sa observation niya, si LeBron James daw kasi kayang-kaya mag-triple-double. At gaya na sabi kanina na sa isang video na all around si LeBron James. So meaning, kung all around ka, kayang-kaya mo score, mamasa, mag-assist. Which is, yun lagi ang stats si LeBron James. Lagi siya nagtitriple-double. So, ano pa ba? Ang ano ko din nga doon, tama nga naman din si Scottie Pippen. Kasi, syempre, hindi ako ang triple-double. Diba? All around. Kumbaga, unlike kay Jordan, scoring siya mostly. Ang naka-adapt nun si Kobe Bryant. Tapos, ang kay LeBron, umi-score siya, yes. Pero syempre, inaanohin niya yung mga kakampi niya, kaya binibigyan niya lagi ng pasa. Kaya hindi mo mga pasa. Lalo yung mga highlights siya sa pasa, ang gaganda. So, dito sa video ito, LeBron James ang nanalo. So, kanina 2-2 na. It's a tied na, kumbaga, sa video ito. So far, sa mga video na napanood natin, 2 for MJ and 2 for LeBron. So, kayo i-comment nyo na lang, saan kayo? Team MJ or Team LeBron? So, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi.